Here to discuss is RBC Capital Markets analyst Tom Narayan. Has a 224 target and a buy rating on Tesla. It's good to see you again. Tom, I just wonder if you think any of this goodwill around this month's delivery number is deserved right now?
We're also seeing it on a relative basis, which is, I think, how most auto investors look at versus what's happening in the rest of the industry. This Stellantis profit warrant comes on the back of 3 other profit warrants from European automakers in just the past couple of weeks. So I do think a lot of folks are looking for safety. Tesla, interestingly, it seems to be a place where they can get that.
Yeah, some of the EV numbers out of like France and Germany for August were so horrible. Is there a share shift happening over there?
No, it's a complete market dynamic. You saw incentives get cut at the end of last year in Europe, especially in Germany. And also just pricing is just too high over there. You will get some relief in 2025, though. Remember, these OEMs have to make a very severe CO2 regulatory cliff, so that will come back. But definitely, that softness in EVs is being felt very severely. We do think incentives will have to come back, especially in Germany. That should help a little bit in 2025.
I mean, deliveries this week, but then the robo-taxi day the week after. And I do wonder how much of this is optimism and excitement over that and starting to price in what that might look like.
Yeah, that's fair, right? And the stock has run quite a bit. It's run, past my price target as well, notably. So sure, folks are looking at optimistically on robo-taxi and what that could mean. But that said, in the backdrop of what's happening in overall autos, I still think it makes sense to still be constructive there. And recall what's happening in Europe, for example. Next year, that regulatory cliff, guess who these OEMs in Europe are going to be buying credits from? Tesla. So I think a lot of folks look past where the price is, the share price is, and looking more towards sentiment and the narrative. The narrative is autonomy. Sentiment is numbers beating. These regulatory credits are going to be pretty big. Then you have energy storage. Deliveries look like they're going to be fine. So on a sentiment basis, which is, I think, how this stock trades, I acknowledge it could be a sell the news type event, robo-taxi, but the day. But I do think there's enough inertia now, given how the rest of autos is trading, that it could still catch some support.
Is a return to the highs on Tesla anywhere in your modeling right now?
Yeah, I mean, look, my modeling is very conservative. I don't include any optimists, which is, by the way, coming up a lot in questions. Folks are starting to look at that. My robo-taxi numbers, I think, are quite conservative, $400 billion of value. I think this could expand autos well beyond the $2.7 trillion level. So the upside is significantly higher than where my price target is. And definitely, you could make a case, obviously, for where the stock is trading. But again, I don't think folks are doing the math on DCFs on this name, right? They're looking at catalysts near term, and there are several. And I do think folks will continue to be excited on the back of the robo-taxi event.
Tom, appreciate it. We'll see what we get on Wednesday. Good to see you again.